What's up guys, welcome to your 8th PHP tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to be teaching you guys about another fun loop called the do loop. Now what this loop allows you to do is allows you to execute an action at least one time, no matter if it's true, or false. So let's go ahead and let me just show you the best way by just walking you through the process. Of course, we have a variable number and we'll set it equal to 1. Now the do loop starts with the syntax do, and then go to the next line, and this is going to have a bunch of code, so we're going to be entering some curly braces. Let me just move them over here so you guys can see them easier. Now in the middle, this is what we want it to do in the beginning. So we're going to say, before we even tell you what the boundaries are, take the variable number, add 1 to it, and then we want you to echo whatever that number is, and then move on to the next line. So again, this says, alright, here's what we want you to do. Take the number, add 1, and then we want you to spit out that number and show us what it is, and then we want you to add a break, which means just go on to the next line. And then after that, outside of your curly braces or curly brackets, whatever they're called, we want you to do this while the variable number is less than 10. So while the variable is less than 10, then just keep doing this. So I'm going to go ahead and save this and show you guys. At first it added the number 1 to 1, which is 2, and then it kept doing that until it got to 10. But as you can see, that, well, this isn't really a good example because it does it anyways, but let's say the number was 0. Now as you can see, this condition is false because 1 is not less than 0, it's more than 0. So now here's what's going to happen. We're going to take this variable and it's going to say, alright, spit out the variable, add 1 to it, then echo the number, which will be 2, then go on to the next line, and it's going to spit all that out, and it's going to show us that it's going to give us a 2. And then it's going to come down here and says, while the variable is less than 0. So it's going to be like, whoa, I wasn't even supposed to do that? Alright, I'm going to stop doing that. So now you save it. As you can see, it just spits out that 2 one time. Now as you can see, unlike before, it allows it to do it one time and just once if it's false, but if it's true, then it allows you to go through the whole entire process. So that's why the do loop is useful and a lot different than the regular while loop. And in the next tutorial I'm probably going to be going over another loop. So study this one until you figure out what all it means. I tried my best to explain it. And then when you're ready, go on to the next tutorial.